VETRON starting the Classic series. The VETRON 4000 and 4010 Classic is a classic direct-drive one-needle lock-stitch sewing machine with triple transport and full function. The application area is in the upholstery, automotive industry, and in the bags and cases production, and many more. The VETRON 4000 series is equipped with a modern, intuitive touch control panel. It is integrated in the machine arm. Operation is simple and easy to understand. The machine has two adjustable top feed strokes that are easy to set. Max top feed stroke is 9 mm. The VETRON 4000 has two adjustable stitch lengths, with a max of 12 mm. Various functions can be switched or selected using a switch bar. You can switch between two top feed strokes and stitch lengths. An additional thread tension can be activated, or the machine can be in a lock mode for threading or repairing. An additional thread tension can also be activated. For the operator is electric back-tack switch in the operator grip. The integrated LED sewing light has two power levels and provides sufficient light in the sewing area. Machine software and sewing programs can be easily transferred via a USB connection. The powerful direct drive of the VETRON 4000 has a max speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute. The speed of the 4010 is 3,400. The strong drive is perfect for thick or hard materials. The VETRON 4000 and 4010, with an exceptionally high stitch quality, it is perfectly suited for top stitching work in the visible area, as well as for assembling seams, and is the ideal partner as a worker. That is the VETRON 4000 Classic series.